What came in the mail, Jack?
Well, it's something new. I know. So it's fun stuff with heads. You can make anything. Like,
Well, what is it called?
It's called Legos.
What kind of Legos?
You can make it.
What do we call the bigger Legos?
Oh, we call it, Yogi Gaba?
No.
Oh, this one is,
the big ones, Duplo.
Oh, Duplo. This is a fun thing. You put the heads on, make it something creative, and that's it.
Okay, well, we will see. Oh, and you know what, Jack? Look. It's called Lego Duplo Read and Build. Look, I think a book comes inside. Isn't that cool? That's something different.
Yeah.
Alright, well, we'll have to check it out. Oh, wait, don't rip it open yet. We're going to check it out.
Okay. No.
So we just got the Lego Duplo Read and Build storybook kit in the mail. I like it's pretty compact. 12 pieces and a storybook. Can't go wrong. I love that it's educational. And I love this shell packaging. Quite different from the other Lego kits. This it's got that clear plastic shell, so you can actually see the pieces and the storybook, which is up at the front. Looks like a hard board book, so that'll be cool. I love that you can see all the pieces and see what you can get to sort of, know what you're getting in advance. I mean, you've got the picture of the bricks right here, but it's always fun. It's interesting to see Legos in this clear packaging. So we're excited about it. We're gonna unbox it in a second. Look, we've got some excited Lego fans. Are you excited?
Yeah. Are you, Dassy? Yes.
All right, let's see what's inside. So we're just undoing. Okay, yeah, we're just undoing the packaging and quite. This little shell looks like it pops open. Fun, and like I said, storybooks up front. Oh, cool! That's awesome. So we've got the little plastic bag of the pieces, little car, and Jack's is opening up the book already. Cool. You got to start in the front, dude. Can't skip to the back already. Awesome. Totally digging this. Well, we're going to get to building and reading. I think we're going to start off with the book and then we're going to read. So the book that came with the kit, it's called Let's Go Vroom. Looks like we built a couple of vehicles here. Let's read it, Jack. Racer Joe's out driving, but he's stuck somewhere. Oh no, Pilot Penny will soon find him, she says. Hurry up, let's go. Pilot Penny to the rescue. Hey Jack, can you find the pieces that are on the page?
Yes.
And what else? Looks like there's some other green pieces. Can you put those to the side?
Mm-hmm.
I think I see 2 more that we're missing. And 1 more. I like how the pieces are put out on page, and your preschooler, the kids can grab which one, and it's much different than the instructional booklet Legos usually come with. Cool. Well, I'll help you put those together, buddy. Look, let's look at the next page. Penny jumps into her plane. She's in a rush to rescue Joe. It won't be long, she says. I never travel slow. Go, Penny. So now we get to put all the pieces together. Let's sit Penny in her plane. So let's turn the page. Across the wide blue lake. Oops, move, buddy. I can't see. Penny's searching to and fro. Is that her friend, Racer Joe? No, I don't think so. Over great white mountains, Penny's gliding through the snow. Can she see Joe? Is he here? No, I don't think so. We put the plane together. I love how it looks. I just got a little confused because you can see the dimension on here. It doesn't fully display. I was looking for a different piece rather than this, but we worked it out. It's pretty straightforward. And then we're going to build Racer Joe now. I love how it's demonstrating it because Jack can totally get it. Oh, and he did it! Is that it? Well, we're gonna... Oh, looks like Racer Joe's head is a little funny. Let's fix him up.